That's okay. I guess I'll just drive there by myself. In my Jeep.
Wait a minute, you have a Jeep? Well, why didn't you say so? Come on, family. Let's go do TV commercial driving meant for a professional driver on a closed course.
Jeep, the toughest four-letter word on wheels. For the driver who doesn't like to stop going just because they've run out of road.
Ow, my balls!
Head out where the
I can
real
do that.
fun
There
begins,
was plenty
where
of
the
road
paved
left.
roads leave
My
off.
balls!
Potholes
It's too
and bumps
bumpy.
and ruts can come as they
I'm
will.
getting rattled and
Jeep's
smushed.
welded,
Please
rugged,
go
and
back
riveted
on the
frame
road.
takes punishment in
My
large
balls!
doses and
I like
comes
safe
back
driving.
for more.
My balls!